Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings immediately. Press Windows plus I and go to Accounts so you can access sync controls right away. If you see Windows Backup or Sync Settings, select it. This is where Microsoft stores your preference toggles. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account. Without admin rights, you may not be able to change system-level sync options. Once signed in, locate Sync Settings on the screen to reveal the first actionable toggles you will disable next. Now, focus on the core controls. Flip off the main Sync Your Settings toggle to halt profile-wide synchronization. This stops most automatic transfers. After that, disable individual items like theme, passwords, language preferences, and other listed categories to prevent selective syncing. If Windows shows a confirmation dialog or asks whether to keep data on this device, choose the option that matches your intent. Often keep on this device if you want local copies. Make sure each toggle reads off before moving. Finish by applying and verifying the change. Sign out and sign back in or restart Windows to ensure the new sync state takes effect across services. Then, validate by inspecting another device linked to the same Microsoft account or by checking settings again to confirm all toggles remain off. If sync persists, try signing out of your Microsoft account on this PC and signing back in, or switch to a local account temporarily. This often clears cached sync directives and resolves stubborn syncing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.